If your MacBook Air M3 is not turning on, maybe after a macOS update, or just randomly you can't power it on, but in some cases, people can see the backlight, but it's stuck on this black screen. I know you're scared, you're frustrated. Don't worry. In this video, we're going to suggest you some simple fixes that you can try to solve this problem. Alright guys, so first, if any outside device or accessories is connected right now with your Mac, just simply remove them one after another. And next, what I want you to try, bear with me, just keep tapping on this F2 button just to see if accidentally the brightness is turned down or not. If that's not your issue, your device still not turning on, what we're going to do is just a rule of thumb. Just go ahead, plug it into a charger, just to make sure that it's not a battery draining issue. If that didn't solve your problem, we hear you. And if your case is the keyboard is showing backlight, but the screen is dark, now we're going to just force reboot this device. For that, press and hold the power button. You can't see the screen, so make sure the backlight is turned off. That means the device is off. After a couple of seconds, we're going to just press on any of the button to turn it on again. See if a force restart can solve the problem. Now, if that didn't solve your problem, your device is still not turned on. Now we're going to boot it into safe mode. Now just press and hold on this power button. Just keep pressing the button, keep holding it down till you end up in this startup mode. Now take your cursor under the Macintosh HD option, don't press it. Now hold down the shift key and you'll see a safe boot option has come up. Just press on it. Your Mac will restart into safe mode. You can then just enter your Mac, wander here and there just for a while. The thing is, if you could turn it on in safe mode, there is a possibility that if you restart your device from that mode now, it will just turn on normally. Unless there is a serious hardware issue, your device will turn on after that. Thanks for watching.